Here is a quick video to show you how to apply your A-Dec risk control adapter to your A-Dec air-water syringe. This is an A-Dec air-water syringe. There it says A-Dec. So the first thing you need to do is remove the metal air-water syringe tip. So that just pulls straight away. The next thing you need to do is remove this adapter so that you can place the risk control adapter on. This will require an Allen wrench. It's very easy. You just place the Allen wrench inside here and then you rotate it counterclockwise. If it's on there tight, you might be able to just remove it with your fingertips, but then you can just unscrew this with your fingertips, and then you can take your Action risk control adapter and just place it where that little notch was, and you can just screw it on there. Make sure that's on there nice and tight, and then you're ready to apply your risk control air-water syringe tip. You're going to look for that little notch, line it up with the notch on the tip like so. You twist and then press, make sure it's on there nice and tight, and then you can bend your tip, and then you're ready to go.